What if I told you that quitting social media for just 30 days could change your brain, boost your confidence, and maybe even make you happier? The truth is, most of us wake up and the first thing we touch isn't our toothbrush. It's our phone. TikTok, Instagram, WhatsApp. It's like digital coffee. But what if we just stopped? Quit cold turkey. No scrolling, no swiping. Just silence. The first day feels weird. You reach for your phone out of habit. 73 times. You keep unlocking it and staring at the blank screen. The dopamine withdrawal is real. By day 3, the anxiety kicks in. You feel like you're missing out. What are your friends posting? Did anyone tag you? Is there some viral trend you'll never see again? But here's the twist. Your mind starts to quiet down. Like, really quiet. You're no longer constantly comparing your life to everyone else's carefully crafted highlight reels. Studies show that reducing screen time can lower stress and boost focus by up to 30%. By day 10, things start to change. You're sleeping better. You're more present. You're having real conversations. And guess what? Nobody died because you didn't post a story about your food. People who quit social media also report higher self-esteem, less anxiety, and more creativity. Why? Because they stop living for likes and start living for themselves. By day 30, you realize something strange. The world kept spinning without your posts. Your mind is clearer, you're more focused. And guess what? You not only survived without social media, you thrived. I'm not saying you have to quit forever, but maybe, just maybe, a little social media detox is the secret we're all scrolling past. So, would you try going 30 days without social media? Let me know in the comments. If you're brave enough to watch this video, maybe you're brave enough to try it. Like, share this with a friend who's always online and subscribe for more thought-provoking experiments. Because sometimes the most viral thing is living.